Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back and thanks for your continued love and support. Today I'm elevating simple kidney beans into a delicious one-pot family dinner. This one-pot dish is healthy, budget-friendly and quick and easy to make. Though most African dishes require hours in the kitchen, this kidney bean pilau can fit perfectly into any busy weeknight schedule. Please find the ingredients in the description as I jump right into the process. I heat some oil and fry the onions until they start browning, then add the tomatoes. I continue frying for 2 more minutes, then add ginger, garlic, pilau masala and turmeric powder. The turmeric is optional, but it's flavorful and gives the rice a beautiful yellow color. The fragrance at this point is so good. I also add capsicum and kidney beans. I now add vegeta followed by the rice and mix for 2 minutes or until everything is well combined. I add water and salt. For reference purposes, I add 4.5 cups of water because I'm cooking 3 cups of jasmine rice and the rice to water ratio is 1 to 1.5. Please note that you might need more water depending on the type of rice you use, so adjust the amount accordingly. Once this comes to a boil, I cover the pot, reduce the heat to the lowest heat setting, and let it cook until all the water is absorbed. I insert a fork into the rice, and if it comes out dry, the water is absorbed. I fluff the rice with the fork and check if the rice is cooked. Though the water is fully absorbed, there are a few grains that are slightly undercooked. I turn the heat off and cover the rice with foil and place the lid back on to trap the steam. This will soften the undercooked grains of rice in about 15 to 20 minutes. Don't get tempted to add more water because it will result in soggy rice. 20 minutes later, I remove the foil, fluff the rice and serve. It tastes amazing and the kids love it. I hope you try this recipe and love it too. I also find this a great way to eat protein when taking a break from meat. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up, Comment down below and tap the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming recipes. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video.